Hi, I'm LW Drone Flyer and welcome to my channel. So for the past 3 years I've been flying the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's a brilliant drone, and now I've got a new one. I'm upgrading to the Air 3S. I'm hoping this upgrade will bring some great new features and some great new footage. The obstacle avoidance, adding a much safer, the 3 times optical zoom with the drone allowing me to get in closer to the subjects from a greater distance. A bigger battery means it can fly for much longer, and the 3 times telephoto lens zoom also means I can get some great dynamic range, and with the upgraded sensor size means I'll be able to get much clearer, sharper, brighter images. The regulations here in the UK have just been relaxed a little bit, which means I can now fly this drone in pretty much the same way I could do with the mini series. Today I've got a new toy. For the past 3 years I've been flying this little guy, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. But it's now 2026 and the regulations have just been changed, which means I can now fly a heavier drone in the same conditions as I can with the Mini 3 Pro. So we now have the Air 3S. It's a bigger, heavier drone. It's a bigger camera sensor and a 3 times optical zoom lens on there. So with this guy I'm going to be able to fly for longer, fly further in more windier conditions. I'm going to get a much better image quality and zoom. It's going to be fantastic to fly this and I cannot wait. So let's get to unboxing this little guy and set it up. Now, having flown the Mini 3 Pro for 3 years now, I've seen the Mini 4 Pro come out and obviously now the Mini 5 Pro. So it was a bit of a comparison between this and the 5. So we're going for the Air 3S instead of the 5 Pro. There's about 3 things that swung it for me. Yes, it's a bit of a bigger drone, but the portability issue wasn't really much of a concern for myself, going by when I tend to fly and where I fly. The longer battery life, the better, stronger motors in this for wind capabilities basically. I know they're both kind of rated for a stronger wind, but I think with the Air 3S it will just have more capabilities than what the 5 could in stronger wind conditions. And the other one was the 3 times optical zoom on this is going to be much more useful for the landscapes and the parallaxes views that I want to capture as well. So everything is already clearly packaged nicely in this case that it comes with. I did go for the fly mod combo, so I do have the 3 batteries, the ND filters, the newer RC2 controller and a set of ND filters. Should be in here hopefully at least. Set wings, the ND filters, the RC2 controller, the backpack and extra batteries, and then finally drone itself. So I'm not going to bore you anymore with all the setup process of this new drone. There are many clips already out there on YouTube of unboxing and setting this guy up, so I won't bore you with those. However, please do subscribe to my channel. There will be many more drone footage clips being uploaded soon throughout the year of 2026, with much help with this guy. Thank you for watching. Just to feel this in comparison to where we it's a beast. It's a little beast. It's certainly going to upgrade. I mean, the one thing is certain with DJI products, and the quality, the build quality, construction, and the feel of these products are just, they are premium products.